What's up, guys? It's Brian. Want to make a video for all of the future homeowners that are wanting to have a 30 or 50 amp outlet installed for their portable generator. I'm going to be talking to you guys about an Interlock-Kit. And what an Interlock-Kit is. So when you have a standby unit that's on the side of the house, it's fixed in that position, you can't move it, it's mounted, it's bolted down, hooked up to natural gas or liquid propane for the most part. There are bigger units where customers have a diesel, but any regular standby unit is going to be liquid propane or natural gas. They come with an automatic transfer switch. An interlock is, in the sense, like an automatic transfer switch, except it's not automatic. But the automatic transfer switch does not allow FP&L power and generator power to collide. It only can go on one source, right? And that is what an Interlock-Kit does. See, without the Interlock-Kit, there's a process that customers, homeowners have to do, or bad things happen. And I am not going to be doing any installs without an Interlock-Kit. Bottom line, it's just better. It's just safer. It's just easier for you too. I was talking to a company that sells interlock kits. They're going to be working with me. I'm going to be getting a decent price, but you're looking at $150 extra added on to whatever we come up with. But so an interlock kit is going to be installed at your panel. Hold on one sec. I got to get my milkshake. All right. So you're going to have your panel, which is most likely in Florida. A lot of them are in the garage. You're gonna have your panel. You're going to have the outlet that I would install, the 30 or the 50, and that depends on the size of generator that you have. If you have something under a 7,000 watt generator, you're gonna get a 30 for the most part. It might be 8,000, I don't know. 7 to 8 is when it'll go from 30 to the 50 amp. Once you're over 8,000, I'm pretty sure it goes to the 50 amp outlet. Doesn't matter, but at your panel, now there is a situation where this will not work and it would have to be something else. But if your panel has a big breaker at the top that is normally labeled main, it'll be a big breaker. And then you've got the whole row of little breakers, right? Wherever I would install the circuit breaker for your generator, it's gonna have a mechanism, which is the Interlock-Kit. So let's say here's the main. Here's the row of circuit breakers. Your generator breaker is going to be at the top of it. I would relocate, whatever. So generator breaker's at the top, right under the main. There's going to be a metal, it's an Interlock-Kit. It's a metal device that literally I will bolt there that will only allow you, if you want the generator breaker on, it's going to turn off the main. If you want to turn the main on, it's going to turn off the generator breaker. And that basically, it stops someone from back feeding FP&L, which kills linemen. It'll blow up your circuits and appliances if you didn't have the device. And if you didn't, say you, let's just give an example. You lost power to the house, you go hook up your generator, and you're powering your house. You don't have an interlock kit, and you forgot to turn off the main breaker. So you're powering your house with your generator, cool, everything's all fine and dandy, like you're having a party, like I'm the only house with electricity, yeah. And then you've got 5-10 people over, you guys are playing beer pong, you know, and then all of a sudden you hear, boom! Your power came back on from FP&L, but guess what? You didn't have your main breaker off, and so now FP&L power is trying to feed all of your appliances and all your lights that your generator is currently feeding, and boom! Breakers are gonna trip, outlets are gonna blow, lights are gonna blow. You could fry your AC, your washer, your dryer, yada, yada, yada. That is what happens when you don't use an interlock kit and you are not directed on what to do. People, you know, it's code. It's code. You can't not use it. Okay? So keep that in mind. Using an interlock kit there is no ifs, ands, or buts, guys. All right, I've had a ton of customers. Oh, we don't want it. This and that. I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer. Yeah, right. Anyhow, just wanted you guys to be aware on what that kit does and what it prevents. It prevents people from backfeeding, FP&L. It prevents 2 electrical sources to be on at the same time. All right? If you have any questions, give me a call, shoot me a message, whatever. I'm here to help, and I'm always willing to discuss things. If I made a mistake, if I didn't explain something correctly, let me know. I'll try my best to explain it better. And, you know, if there's an electrician out there that is telling me I didn't say something properly, whatever, let me know, man. I'm not perfect, and I'm always willing to learn and correct myself. So anyways, I hope you guys have a good day. I will catch you on the next video. I've got some really exciting stuff coming up. I'm going to be doing a lot of fire-resistant gear content, talking about fire-resistant gear for my technicians out there. And yeah, hurricane season's about to start, so I'm getting busy. Actually just landed a police contract with Palm Beach. 40 plus something generators I'm going to be taking care of. I'm really excited about that. So anyhow, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have a good day.